In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter payroll on QuickBooks Desktop. By the end, you'll know how to record a payroll expense so your books reflect exactly what you paid out, even if you're entering it manually. Quick note before we begin. If you use an integrated payroll service, you'd normally run payroll through that tool. What we're doing here is creating an expense to capture a payroll payout that's already happened. Start by opening QuickBooks and your company file. From there, open a new expense transaction. This brings up the expense form where you'll tell QuickBooks who you paid, what account the money came from, and how to categorize the cost. First, click into the payee field and choose the person or vendor you paid for payroll. This could be an employee you're recording as a one-off payout or a contractor. If the payee isn't in your list yet, add them so the transaction stays organized and searchable later. Next, move to the payment account and select the account you used to pay. For example, choose cash if you paid out of a cash on hand account, or pick your checking account if that's where the funds came from. Matching the payment account to where the money actually left prevents reconciliation headaches down the road. Now go to the category details section. In the account column, click the field and start typing payroll expenses. When you see your payroll expenses account, select it. If your chart of accounts uses a slightly different name, pick the one that represents your payroll costs. Using the correct category ensures reports like your profit and loss show payroll in the right place. In the description box, add a clear note such as the pay period or what the payment covers, so future you knows exactly what this expense represents. Then enter the amount you paid. Double check the transaction date so it lines up with when the money actually left your account, and add a reference number or memo if you use those for tracking. If you need to make a similar entry for another person or another period, click Copy to duplicate the transaction. Update the payee, description, date, and amount as needed. This is a quick way to stay consistent and avoid retyping the same details. When everything looks correct, click Save and Close. That's it. Your payroll expense is now recorded, categorized to payroll expenses, and tied to the correct payment account. To verify, you can review your expense list or run a profit and loss to confirm the amount appears under payroll.